Building your first AI model, a step-by-step guide. In today's tech-driven world, artificial intelligence, AI, has become a buzzword. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, AI is transforming industries and everyday life. If you've ever wondered how to create an AI model, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process of building your first AI model step by step, making it accessible even for beginners. 1. Understand the basics of AI. Before diving into the technical details, it's essential to grasp what AI is. At its core, AI involves creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Two common subsets of AI are machine learning, ML, algorithms that learn from data and improve their performance over time. Deep learning, DL, a subset of ML that uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to analyze various types of data. 2. Define the problem. The first step in building an AI model is defining the problem you want to solve. This involves identifying the specific task and the desired outcome. For instance, you might want to predict house prices based on features like location, size, and condition. Clearly defining the problem helps in choosing the right type of model and data. 3. Gather and prepare data. Data is the backbone of any AI model. High-quality data leads to better models. Here's how to go about it. A. Collect data. Identify and collect the data relevant to your problem. This can come from various sources such as databases, APIs, or even web scraping. Ensure you have enough data to train and validate your model effectively. B. Clean data. Real-world data is often messy. Clean your data by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting errors. This step is crucial as garbage in leads to garbage out. C. Pre-process data. Transform your data into a format suitable for your model. This might include normalizing numerical features, encoding categorical variables, and splitting your data into training and testing sets. 4. Choose the right model. Choosing the right model depends on the nature of your problem. Here are some common types of models and their use cases. Linear regression, for predicting continuous values. Logistic regression, for binary classification problems. Decision trees and random forests, for both regression and classification tasks. Neural networks, for complex tasks involving image or speech recognition. 5. Train your model. Training your model involves feeding it the training data and allowing it to learn the patterns. This step varies depending on the type of model you choose, but generally involves A. Splitting data. Divide your data into a training set and a validation or testing set. The training set is used to teach the model, while the validation set checks its performance. B. Training. Use the training set to fit your model. This process involves adjusting the model parameters to minimize errors. For instance, in a neural network, this involves backpropagation and gradient descent to adjust weights. 6. Evaluate your model. After training, evaluate your model's performance using the validation set. Key metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score for classification tasks, and mean squared error for regression tasks. Use these metrics to understand how well your model generalizes to new data. 7. Tune hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are settings that you can adjust to optimize your model's performance. This might include the learning rate in neural networks or the depth of decision trees. Use techniques like grid search or random search to find the best hyperparameters. 8. Deploy your model. Once satisfied with your model's performance, it's time to deploy it. Deployment involves integrating your model into a production environment where it can start making predictions on new data. This might involve setting up APIs, creating user interfaces, or embedding the model into existing systems. 9. Monitor and maintain. AI models can degrade over time due to changes in data patterns. Continuously monitor your model's performance and retrain it with new data as necessary. Maintenance is key to ensuring your model remains accurate and reliable. Building your first AI model may seem daunting, but breaking it down into these manageable steps can simplify the process. Start with understanding the basics. Define your problem clearly, gather and pre-process quality data, choose the right model, and rigorously train and evaluate it. Finally, deploy and maintain your model to keep it performing well. With practice and persistence, you'll become proficient in creating AI models that can solve a wide range of real-world problems. Happy building!